hug.
Thank you for staying up so early.
Really glad that you're on it because we've been a big fan of you on stream for a long time.
I'm so stoked. I've been a fan of you guys, and so like this is a big dream for me, and I can't.
Oh my god, it's so sweet.
Ice cream.
소원.
너무 이거.
하나, 잠깐만 우리 영어로도 부르자. 시작. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Blackpink and Bling. Happy birthday to us. 왜 이렇게 조심스럽게?
왜냐면 걸렸을까봐. 내가
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
health and happiness this pandemic time. Ingat and God bless. Siyempre, naka-filter tayo kasi
Hi Eileen! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. And sana makauwi ka na rito sa Pilipinas. Miss ka na namin. Love you, nak. God bless. Stay safe.
Hi Besh! Happy birthday! Sana okay ka lang dyan. Miss mo na ba kami? Miss ka na din namin. Ayun. See you soon. Love you. Mwah. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tol. And ingat ka dyan lagi. I miss you. Napilitan ako sa bigyan. Char. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maria. Pasensya ka na at medyo haggard na ang lola mo. Anyways, mag-ingat ka lagi. Sana nandito ka para ma-celebrate natin yung birthday mo.
Hey Beshi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Miss you. Uwi ka na. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, oh. Bye-bye, Nina. Bye-bye. Hi, say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Baba. Happy birthday, Barbie. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Barbie. Sana lalo ka pang tumaba. At sana magka-love life ka na. Happy birthday, Barbie.
Yes, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Empot!
Happy birthday! Sana makahanap ka ng boyfriend. Hindi pala, ano lang yun, charot. Ano lang, sana...
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Yun na lang sasabihin namin. Oh. Greet mo na rin.
Happy birthday!
Ikaw, JJ.
Happy birthday!
Okay, happy birthday, Barbie!
Hi, Cizi. Happy birthday.
Hi, Besh! Happy birthday!
Uy, saglit. Kantahan muna natin siya.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Dog.
Half dog.
Uy, Buisit.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh my gosh, ang taba ako si
Day, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
And to us.
Happy birthday, Beshi.
Happy birthday, Besh.
Love you! Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Emmy. Nagpipintura tita mo. Ito, may pintura pa ako sa kilay. Oh, yan. Okay. I love you very, very much.
Hey, kamusta na? Happy birthday! Mag-iingat ka dyan, ha? Oh, love you!
So, Ate Emmy, happy birthday! Barbecue. Ayun lang.
Tita Emily. Lee.
Tita Ems.
Happy birthday, Tita Emza. Happy birthday, Ems. Enjoy your day. God bless and stay safe.
Guys, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and sana matupad mo lahat ng wishes mo and makauwi ka dito sa Philippines kasama si Ate Joanne. Banding ulit tayo. And, yun, kapit lang, adulting is...
Happy birthday, Cass. Ingat ka palagi. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ems. Ingat dyan. Love you, Mama.
Happiest birthday, Bruce! Stay safe kayo lagi dyan. And this is all for you. The ribbons. And sana lumakas ka na sa ML para hindi na kita natatalo. Okay? Bye!
Hello, cousin! Happy birthday! So, ayan nga, Kaz. Happy birthday. Ang prayers ko ay mas madami ka pang birthday at mas madami pang birthday na i-celebrate natin together, and also delight yourself to the Lord and He will give the desires of your heart. Ano man ang iyong mga pinagpipray, alam ko, basta will ng Panginoon, ibibigay niyan sa'yo. Keep on praying, keep the faith, at ayan nga, Kaz, nandito lang ako, busy lang ako, pero one chat away lang ako, ayan. So, pag may problema, chat na lang tayo, yan, Kaz. I love you so much, enjoy your day.
Last birthday, Elaine. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, good health and divine protection sa'yo. Uwi na! Bye-bye!
Welcome to Mobile Legends. Hi, Tita Ems. Happy birthday. Ingat ka po dyan and keep on fighting. We love you. Sing it, 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하고 Tita Elaine. 생일 축하합니다.
Hi, Ems! I hope nagustuhan mo yung ginawa kong video. Happy birthday and I wish you all the best. Nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Gabayan ka, turuan ka, at ilagay ka sa tamang daan. Charot! Siyempre, para alalayan ka habang nandito tayong dalawa sa UAE. Ako yung pangalawa mong nanay, so makikinig ka sa akin. I love you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Annie! Happy birthday, Annie! I miss you, Annie. Naman pag-shipta. I'm wishing you all the best in life and a good money. And what else? And more blessings and Santa Claus and love life. Oh no, you don't need that, babe. So Annie, take care and stay safe. I will see you soon and hoping for a better life. Good night. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ems! Ingat kayo dyan. God bless. Mua.
Hi, Ems! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo, anak, good health, more blessings. I miss you na, anak. Sana makasama ka namin na dito. Tigit sa lahat, be strong to the Lord. Amen! I love you! Miss you!
Hello, Ems! Happy birthday! Mahal na mahal kita, kung kakalimutan yan. At lagi mong ingatan sarili mo. At enjoy mo lang ang buhay, anak. Huwag kang masyadong ma-stress dyan sa trabaho mo, tsaka sa mga problema sa Pilipinas. Bata ka pa. Wala ka pang, marami ka pang dapat na, na tuparin sa iyong buhay. Ikaw muna mag-aasawa hanggat di ka mayaman. Paano, anak? Yun lang. Love you, love you. Ingat ka lagi. Bye.